Hey everyone, welcome to the 12th bookmark. Today it is going to be a very simple bookmark with a nice beautiful sky of blue color and some clouds and just a simple outline of a cityscape. Hope you'll enjoy making this with me. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. We will go ahead by wetting the paper like we are doing for every bookmark. Make sure you wet it properly without forming any large pools of water. This is a very important step for watercolors. Okay, today I will be going ahead by taking some shades of blue and we will do a night sky with a cityscape. So for that I will be taking the shades of blue. I will be wetting the background with this color and applying some indigo on top of it for the clouds. You can apply any nearest shade of blue. So we will repeat the same way like how are we doing for rest other bookmarks. Darker tone on the top and then running my brush all along. Go ahead by taking any shade of blue. Don't be particular on the colors. And many of you approached me asking that whether you can change your colors and everything. Yes, you can change your colors. It's completely up to you. I am just washing my brush, dabbing it on the paper towel, and then going ahead by darker shade of blue or indigo. So I'll be taking this shade of blue. It is near to indigo. This is indigo actually. And drawing some clouds. So you can observe this is a new style, like a different style from others. So I'm dabbing here and there instead of just running the straight lines and the little circular motions like this. Small circular motions like this here and there, and some smaller crowds just by dropping color. Like that. If you want, you can add indigo here and there. So now I am going ahead by taking a little bit of indigo and then dropping here and there in between to give some highlights like this, to give the dimension to the clouds. That is it for the background layer. We will wait for this to completely dry and come back with the silhouette of cityscape. So this part is completely dried now. It is still wet on the top part. Here it is dried completely. So I'll go ahead by making a cityscape silhouette over here. So I'm not going to add stars for this particular sky. Since we have added so much fluffy clouds, I don't want to ruin the look. Now I am going ahead with my stationery size number 1 brush and taking the black color and draw some cityscape. So here we will be having some skyscrapers or tall buildings, not like from the other bookmarks. First I will draw the skyline like this. Also, a lot of people asked me about the brushes and everything. Stationery brushes are handmade and very affordable. They are as good as any other brands and very pocket friendly. Whenever you're changing brushes or shifting from one brand to other brand, always a little practice is required because of the manufacturing process and the bristles and everything, but that is completely okay. I suggest everyone to explore and stick to their favorite brand. Everyone will be having their personal favorites and it will be varying from person to person. I am adding one more tall building here into the sky, a small and taller one here, and I'm ending it there. Now I'm going ahead by filling black to all this area. You can use a bigger size of brush to fill this up quickly. Make sure it is not going out of the border, otherwise you have to correct it again. It's almost done. This is one of the very quick bookmarks. We'll add some stairs and everything or balconies like that to the top once after completing the filling of this area. So it is completely filled now. I am just straightening the edge over here. Yes. So it's a bit of rainy wind outside and hence you can hear some roaring sounds. There we go. And then we have a small terrace or tank kind of structure here like this. Okay, I am picking up a lot of color. There we go. And if you want, you can add some lines like this, the pillar lines that we see like this. And for the balcony, maybe I'll add here because my color is picking on the other sides. There we go. That's it. I want to keep this a little simple one, and I'm not going to add the birds. If you want, you can add the birds as well. That is it for this bookmark. Wait for this to completely dry before going ahead and removing the masking tape. This is how it looks after it is completely dried. Hope you enjoyed making all the 3 bookmarks in the cityscape concept. Join me in the 13th bookmark where we will be exploring some other new concept.